Hi, I am Capri and this channel is about hula hooping. In this video, I've prepared for you a short warm-up session if you are planning to perform on-body spins such as waist hooping, hip hooping, anything that you do around your body. So grab your hoop and either it is a super big size hula hoop or a little lightweighted hula hoop, you can perform this warm-up session with any of them. Before we start, I have a few tips for you. So pay attention on your belly. Suck the belly button in while performing this exercise. It will make it more efficient, okay? Then place the feet on the width of your hips or slightly wider and don't keep the legs super straight and tense, okay? Rather bouncy, bendy legs so that you don't put too much tension in it. We will be doing some body twists, so yeah, take care for your knees. All right, so grab your hoop and let's give it a go. Okay, let's get prepared for our warm-up session. So place the feet on the width of your hips or slightly wider. Grab the hoop on the sides, more or less in the middle, and hold it like this on the height of your hips. Okay, we are nice and prepared for the warm-up. So let's paddle the legs a little, let's walk a little. Let's go for a hoopy walk. All right. Try to pull the hips as much as possible to the sides, okay? You are reaching the hands with your hips. Now, we will stay for a double bounce on each side. Follow me from now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Now, we will be switching to twist the hips around, spin them around our hoop. So the hoop stays in one position and we follow the hoop, each edge, internal edge of the hoop with our hips. So let's go for the hips spin. Front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Go the other way, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, and faster. Okay, that's it. Let's hit the zone in here. And go the other way. And let's prepare for the pelvis warm-up. Okay, I will show it to you sideways so that you see better that I'm rotating my pelvis down and sticking the bum back. Down and up. Or down to the front and back up. Now let's try to do the same with our hips. So one hip goes up and the other drops down. Switch, 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 switch. And now collecting all these movements together, we can go from the front to the side, to the back, to the other side. And try going faster. All right, feel comfortable in this position? Let's try to go the other direction. So from the front to the side, to the back, to the other side. Faster. Let's rotate the pelvis so that it's nice and warm and the juices are flowing around it. All right, now calm down a little, lift the hoop up and take a deep breath in. Drop it down, breathe out, and let's prepare for the twists. All right, so place the hoop on the height of your shoulders, of your chest, your shoulders, support it with the elbows on the sides like this. All right, grabbing it here, and let's prepare for the twists. When I will be saying head stays, it means that you keep the head like this and you perform the twists, alright? If I say head follow, okay, or follow with the head, you go all the way around with your head, alright? Remember about maintaining your knees slightly bent. And let's go. Head follows. Alright, lift the hands up and follow with the head. Now We will be dropping the hands down, back to the shoulders level. All right, let's go lower. The head follows the hoop, twisting with it. All right, head stays in the front and we continue the twist. So more our upper body, shoulder area is working right now. We will be passing soon to the shoulder zone again with our hands and elbows. So head stays and let's go higher. Feel the twist in your core. All right, let's go for a few more in here. And then let's go with the hands up. Head stays facing front. All right. Here we are, nice and warm. Let's go back to the shoulders level and follow with the head. 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Feel the heat. Feel the heat going through your body, flowing through your body. All right, go with the head to the front. All right, stop the hoop on the level of your hips. All right, you feel this heat around your waist, you feel this heat around your core. This was the purpose of this video. You are now ready to begin your own body spins. Enjoy. Feeling already warmed up for your own body spins session? That's great. It was the purpose of this video. I hope you like the exercises that I've shown you. Let me give you some hints and tips about how to use this video in the future, because maybe you are not willing to grab a video every time you keep on preparing yourself for hula hooping. Maybe you just want to remember a few of these exercises and use them afterwards at your own pace, in your own style, with your own music, etc. So either it will be about the twists with your hoop or maybe the hips rotation, etc. You can do it at your own pace, in your own style, in your own routine. So create it basing on this video, use it as an advice. I really hope you liked it. If so, please leave me the like button below this video. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the upcoming videos. And if you like these kind of videos, please leave me a comment below, right? What is mostly interesting for you about hula hooping? Is it more about workout or more about hoop dance, hoop tricks, etc.? Okay, it will give me some guidelines on how to create my content afterwards. Okay, so visit the website kafri.tv and subscribe to the newsletter, to all my channels. You can find me on every social media. So see you in the next video.